you'll start recording a voice memo for different people in your network. And you can easily set this up so that you maybe just do 10 one day a week. Every Friday, every Saturday morning, you just send out 10 of these. And so it can go like this. You can grab a hold of that and you can say something like, "Hey, John, I am reaching out because I heard on a podcast recently that social proofing is important for my podcast. And I just wanted to reach out to a couple people that I trust to see if you wouldn't mind just listening to like an episode or two of the podcast and leaving an honest review. It doesn't matter if it's 5-star or 2-star or whatever, just letting me, the podcast app, and any potential listeners know just kind of like what you think of it. That would really help me out. And if there's anything I can do for you, I am here for you. Let me know. Thank you. I appreciate you. If you have any questions, I'm here."